Bonsoir, Monsieur Rory.
So, Mark, we've found where we want to live now, haven't we?
Yeah, over there.
It's there, and if you look, there's a house on there.
Some geezer's gaffs up there.
Some geezer's gaff.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks so good. Imagine it. You know what would be even better though? Is if it was further out to sea, so no one could
I thought
ever
it was
get
going to
to
say a Chinese restaurant.
next door. We make one.
That's annoyed me a bit. Looking forward to that.
Ultimate home? I think so. Its own little beach. What can you see?
There's
Other
loads
way.
of oysters and cockles and mussels and loads of other shellfish here.
Shellfish, ain't there?
They're shellfish, yeah, there's loads of them. I ain't going to count them.
No.
More than 10.
No.
Say that.
I think they're being very, very selfish.
Do you know why it's wet there?
Because the seaweed. See what I have to put up with. I'd say he looks quite at home there. We really should record him at all times in case he falls.
Like a little stream here.
Yeah,
I'm going to investigate.
yeah, we're going to watch you in case you fall.
Oh, I'm full.
No, because you know I'm for your balance.
I'm thinking of the line attention.
He trips all the time, even down curbs. At least 3 times a day. New trainers as well. Can you imagine him as a kid? He'd be one of them, wouldn't he? He's never grown up. It's worse that way.
Huh? No. C'est bon. Très bien. It's deeper. There's quite a lot of places to stand. See that? Athletic, isn't it?
Amazing.
Oh, bonjour, bonsoir. So when we do the drying,
What we're currently sitting here thinking, Mark. There's 4 dryers, one already taken. Someone's washing's just finished. And we need 2. What do you reckon? I think we're going to be unlucky here.
just depends that lady might take that out and hang it out, hasn't she?
She might. What do you mean though? Because our luck ain't like that.
We'll be here till midnight.
Oh, the joys of washing clothes.
I know. That's round and round, like 11 minutes on that one.
Yeah. Let's see. We'll tell you if we don't get enough dryers. Result. She's taken a washing and gone. Marky was right. So that means we've definitely got two, we reckon. Unless somebody comes over, somebody uses two.
Well, that lady who's got that number 10 up there, she could come back and, I don't know, did she have any other stuff?
Did she what?
How many other stuff on her? It's a bit weird to come with wet washing and then, unless she'd have washed it.
Previously,
She would have washed it
dry.
before she went to the supermarket and then come back out.
Yeah. I agree.
We've got two machines on. So we've got this one with our cottons, trousers and heavyweight materials on a high heat on the top. And in the bottom we've got more delicate stuff and nylons and that on a medium heat.
The good thing is you can change the language to English and obviously other languages.
Yeah.
So all in all, I think this has been quite simple, hasn't it?
Great success. So we've arrived in the medieval town of Josselin in Brittany, and I believe there's some medieval castle walls, and there's also a chateau that we can have a look around, plus the old medieval streets.
Yeah, and we've left Rory just over there with some friends. They're bigger than him as usual, bless him.
It's nice and quiet because it's a Sunday at around 3 o'clock, something like that.
Yeah.
So
still blazing sun though, so that's nice, found it.
So
let's have a look around.
We'll have a walk around. It's a lovely, I'm not going to say it's a village square. Come here later. Reopens at 7 o'clock at night. There seems to be there's a coach turned up, so there must be a place, day trips to here.
Join them.
Yeah. Town hall, historic centre, chateau, canals that way, cinema, and cap actions. And a creperie. You can see the church spire just coming up over there in the distance. Cobble streets, but I wouldn't imagine these are old. These buildings are though, look at these. And some of these buildings, they're very old. Yeah. The one at the bottom at the end, I saw that. Another restaurant. The tapas here, and paella. Spanish food, and some lovely old buildings, quite a lot of French tourists. So we've got the Rampart car park to our right, because this is a fortified town, fortified medieval town. So there's large walls. I tell you what, this church looks quite impressive, doesn't it? Look at the thing sticking out over the edge. Oh, there's a church.
About them is they're probably weathered less because it's underneath. They've got the detail.
Yeah. This is an old church, isn't it? Very old. Everything's old apart from that lotto shop there. Look, that's not that old.
It's an amazing place, isn't it?
Yeah. Look down there.
Glad we came here.
Let's have a walk down here.
Yep.
And then we'll come back down that way.
Look at the woodwork on that.
Yeah, it's all
It's so weathered, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all really weathered.
The beams holding these top bits up.
Yeah, it does remind me of Shropshire, certain parts of it.
Yeah.
Show you what a French town hall looks like. I mean, some of them are a little bit understated, but this one's grand.
Quite grand.
The town hall.
Marie.
So just showing you up there.
Impressive church.
Yeah, it's quite tall, isn't it?
There have been some beautiful churches, haven't there?
Yeah. Should we see if we can go in?
There's lots of people who've gone in the other way. So.
We'll go in the back doors. There's a well that's built into the side of the church.
See, I was just going to stand here and go, well, what do we have here?
We'll get in the front. I was going to get in the side. I kind of thought that if there was a charge for going in the church, so people would be taking it to the front door, so that's what I thought.
Oh, yes.
Sneak in. Although we do normally give money. I like giving money, it's just when you've been asked for it, so I like.
I agree. It's like when they ask you on the card machines, innit, to give to charity.
Yeah.
My answer is no.
We'll
give to charity.
We'll give
where and when I want.
Well, we regularly give to charity, don't we? But we do it at our choice. So we're in the church.
Yeah. It's beautiful. It's big.
Plenty of people recording, so you don't have to worry too much about that. So we're at the altar.
I was just going to say our first time at the altar.
Yeah. So here's the second altar. The second stained glass window that we were outside just a moment ago. This isn't about that one. Does look like a ship, doesn't it? You half expect to see Tom Hanks running around, don't you? Taking slabs up off the floor or something. In some kind of Dan Brown novel. The church organ up there, yeah, it's something special, ain't it, there? Sarcophagus here. That's interesting. All of the heads have been broken off there. A creperie. It's an old one, isn't it? It's not had much renovation, has it? So just having a little walk along the river here at Josselin. And there's a weir and a boat lock. You can walk for quite a distance here as well. It's a proper walking trail. They do hire out electric boats as well. In the distance you can see the Chateau de Josselin. Here's Beck on our way up. Stream coming out from under the side of the chateau. It passes through the gardens. So this is the back of the Chateau de Josselin. I believe these are the towers of the castle. The walls surround the town of Josselin. So I'm going to spin you around, try not to get run over. Yeah, they're built straight onto the rock there. So I'm going to cross again because I can see something, see that wall there. So there's a moat there, or water at least at the bottom. Looks like it's got various phases of construction as well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So that area at on the right there is quite rough with like stone with infills of, well, it looks like cut stone with infills of rough stone, doesn't it? If you had a guided tour, I think you can go on the first floor, but it looks like there's probably a lot more floors than that because it's still a private residence as far as I know. There's another well here. Unpotable. Don't get that big, did it? You alright? It's cooler here, isn't it? Stay here. Does remind you of Wales, doesn't it? You can see Old Street. It ain't changed much, has it though? No. Looking at that there.
No, sir.
It's just the same, it's just the people's clothes are different, that's it. And there's the odd sign or something. It's a restaurant there, it's making sausages. Right, we need to get a drink, don't we? Ruin that.
An inside bit in that.
Which? Cheers. Oh dear. Bit of whoopsie. Well, I've had a pint of King Eric Cantona. That was €8, that was.
I prefer the other places.
Dear. Cheers. I don't think that's the real Eric Cantona, is it? Collar ain't up. You have to have the collar up.
He's not doing a diving kick into the crowd. He's all over the window. Perceived as a fan.